Alright guys, check it out. I just got this GiraffeTools vacuum cleaner. I'm excited to check this one out because it's got a super long hose, which is awesome. It's wall mounted and you can take the vacuum hose all the way out to the road if you need to. Alright, let's pull it out of the box. Guys, make sure you check out the Black Friday discount code below. Comes with those accessories, and look at that hose. Installation template. Alright guys, there it is. Check it out. GiraffeTools. Look at the hose on this thing. Ah, that's cool. Alright, let's get it hooked up. Okay, there's some latches here. There's a latch on both sides. There's a air filter here. That's pretty cool. And all kinds of attachments for the vacuum. Yeah, this is gonna be really nice. This is where all your dirt and dust and everything will go. Your filter's here, and this slides back on. Alright guys, there's everything that came in the box. All the attachments, and it comes with a bunch of them. Alright guys, let's get it mounted. We're gonna put it right here, right next to the GiraffeTools pressure washer. Alright, let's get it mounted. Guys, that was pretty easy. Used the template to mark the holes. I used my screws with their washers. Got it on there. These are nice and solid. Hopefully they're in the right spot. Let's do it. Let's try it. Very nice. It's on there good. It's not going anywhere. And I got my power plug right here. All right, check it out. That's pretty cool. I actually like that height. Check it out. Oh yeah. And then it retracts. Guys, I don't have the nozzle installed yet, so be careful storing it at this point. Alright, that's pretty cool. So you can come out, you know, and get all the way out to the cars out here. It's fast too. Yeah, look how nice and neat it does. Boom. Alright, this is really cool. Check this out. This is the main handle, and it has Bluetooth power. So check it out. That's kind of cool. This thing, so you can be out at the car or whatever, and you can turn it on and off right here. That's freaking awesome. I didn't know it did that. This just snaps right on here. Look. On and off right here. Alright, let's see how good this thing works. I'm going to put this attachment on here, and we'll clean some dirt out of my truck. Alright, let's do it, guys. I'm still just freaking out over that Bluetooth on and off. That's so cool. So I got some dirt in here. I move stuff in and out of here all the time, so it gets pretty dirty, but I threw some stuff back here. Let's try it. There we go. It works, guys. Working good. Picking up those rocks. Picking up the dirt. Sucking real good. All right, let's try this other attachment. We got some dirt in the front here. Remote power. Man, that's so cool. Oh yeah. It's working, guys. There's a couple big rocks right there. Yeah. That one's too big. There it goes. It's doing it. Oh yeah. It's taking them. Put the brush back on. Oh yeah. Wow, it's working really good. Very nice. That is awesome. All right, that's awesome. It's fast, dude. There it is, guys. All right, that's all the dirt and rocks and stuff we just sucked up. That thing's awesome. I love how it has that Bluetooth remote, so you can turn it on and off. And the HEPA filter, the extension, 30-foot extension, and this giant dirt container. All right, guys, that's it. That's all the stuff we just took out of the truck. All right, let's slide this back on. Thing's working awesome, guys. Let's put the attachment bracket together. Already have mounted the bracket here. And these things just snap in. All right. We got a spot to put all our attachments. Look how cool that is. Yeah. We got all our attachments right here, guys. Easy to get to. Pressure washer, vacuum cleaner, attachments. That's freaking cool. And this has got a little holder too. Holds it right there. That's it, guys. All right, guys, this thing's pretty cool with the 30-foot hose, the Bluetooth power on and off, the HEPA filter, the attachments. Everything's really nice. Check it out, guys. GiraffeTools. There should be a Black Friday discount code below. Get yourself one. Let me know what you think. Later. All right, guys, click the link below. You get an additional $30 off on top of the already discounted Black Friday sale, the CT discount code below. Check it out. This is an awesome deal. Click on the link, go to the website, check out all the different products they have. Guys, they have all kinds of cool stuff for your shop. Vacuum cleaners, pressure washers, retractable air hoses, retractable extension cords, all kinds of really cool accessories. Click on the link below for an additional $30 off already discounted Black Friday. Check it out, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Later.